quick video on discovering the home screen of Excel. There are some commonalities between the screens of Word and Excel. You have a quick access toolbar on Excel, which is very similar to what you had on Word. You have a ribbon, which has the tabs on the top and the groups on the bottom. And you can format your Excel spreadsheet using the formatting commands on the Home tab. You've got the font and the alignment. Then from there on, it changes as we talk about numbers and formatting of the cells, etc. But today we're just going to look at the setup of the basic screen. So as in Word, we start with a title bar up here at the top and the quick access toolbar. We then have our tabs, which are kind of similar. For a while, you've got File, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout. Then you have Formulas, Data, but then Review and View and Help, like we had before. In the groups, we have Clipboard, Font, Alignment, and then it changes to Number. And then we go into Styles and Cells and Editing over here towards the right. We have the little grid boxes down here in our spreadsheet, which are called cells. We have the labels for the columns, which are A, B, C, D, etc. And they go over for, I don't know how many columns, but for quite a ways. And the numbers over on the outside of the rows go down to 1,000,000 something. So I'm just telling you that's how many rows there are. We also have a name box, which shows us the name of the cell that we're in. Right now I'm in B6 and it tells me I'm in B6. We have a formula bar, which puts whatever we type, whatever we type in our box, in our cell, goes into the formula bar. Notice as soon as I click out of it though, the formula bar gets empty because I've gone into another cell. If I click back on that cell, I can see what I'm working on in the formula bar in case I need to edit it. At the bottom of the page, we have sheet tabs. When you open a brand new spreadsheet, it'll say Sheet tab or Sheet 1. You add tabs by pressing this plus sign, and you can rename these sheet tabs, and we'll talk about that in a later lesson. This is a quick video on the introduction to the Excel screen.